back to Daytime Live. Now, the cup is still here with us, but it's not about football right now. It's about powerlifting. And we're joined by, let's pronounce your name for me? Shaniqua Almond and athlete Desmond Thomas, who are here to talk to us about the powerlifting national championships. Yes, we are. Welcome, guys.
You doing?
Hey, he's over there talking to us.
All right,
okay.
so we're talking about having a championships or a champion of any sport or any event. First, you have to understand what that event is. What is powerlifting?
All right, so powerlifting is really, just us being able to do 3 compound lifts. So it's the squat, it's the bench press, and the deadlift. This is really, fairly new to Jamaica. We started in 2020, but it is really growing. So we're excited about that. We're excited about this year's staging because we see a whole lot more women coming out. Before it was deemed as a male sport, now we have a whole lot more women coming out. And from our staging, the first staging in 2021, right, we had perhaps 4 women competing, and now we have up to 13. So.
Oh, that's excellent.
13 or 13?
13.
13.
So this year we have over 30 athletes.
Right.
But yeah, we have a whole lot more women.
Yeah, the women are.
Yeah, because
That's
when you
good.
said deadlift, and I'm like, I know that, I could enter.
You surely could.
See the guys laughing at me in the audience.
Are you good at deadlifting?
And powerlifting.
We can attempt that today.
I think men are good at powerlifting and women are good at.
That's true, because we carry you guys on our backs all the time.
Yes, and
so
you
tell
lift
us,
the
what can patrons expect from this championship?
So first of all, the competition is this Sunday at the AC Hotel, and that's 10 a.m. So we're encouraging everyone to come out. Our audience, we can expect a whole lot of giveaways. A whole lot of giveaways. Our sponsors will be there issuing stuff. We have competitors from regional, national, all of the strongest people across Jamaica will be here competing. So we're excited about that. And I'm sure our audience will be too.
Now, Dufton was really excited because he said he doesn't think that this gentleman has anything on him. Desmond, Dufton said, better than him and him can lift the pool. Tell us,
Desmond,
how long have you been powerlifting?
Yeah. I've been powerlifting for the past, I've always been lifting heavy in the gym. But officially, I've been powerlifting for the past 2 years.
Oh wow!
As a competitive sport.
As a competitive sport, yeah.
Okay, how do you get into powerlifting though? Like somebody look at it and say, hey.
All right. So initially, I've always been a part of fitness.
Right.
I'm a physiotherapist.
Right.
Fitness and physiotherapy goes hand in hand. So for me now, I was always lifting in the gym heavy, and I just say I competed in bodybuilding for 3 years, and then I said, hey, I like lifting heavy.
Yeah.
I like eating food.
Aye.
I can lift heavy and eat food.
Yeah. Because with the bodybuilding, I need to cut over the food.
Exactly.
Yeah, you understand.
Exactly. So I just decided that, hey, powerlifting is
like earlier, she spoke about there are 3 basic compound movements. Compound lifts.
Yes.
Deadlift,
bench
and squat.
Yes.
All right. So what are you going to show us today?
So this one is the deadlift.
All right. Yes. Okay. Cool. All right.
So for the deadlift now. So with the NPAJ, strict form is a part of your safety.
Right.
So it's a part of the rule. So you want to maintain your form, the correct form. So toes right below the bar, and you want to go down. Put your arms right outside your knee.
Right.
And then you just want to hold. Stand up.
Right. Do you pull from your back or do you push
through your legs?
Push through your legs.
Yes. So you push through your legs, and that momentum carries up.
And this is where we talk about proper form, because we talk about weights in any way, shape, or form.
Yes.
Proper form
is necessary.
And competition, when this that elite.
That is it. If you don't have the proper form in competition, the heavier the weights that you lift, the slightest movement can cause injury.
All right. So, but this is like
So what's up?
Lightweight.
No, this is my curling weight.
You see what weight?
Oh,
What
do you
your
mean
bicep
curl?
curl weights.
Actually,
Like curl
this
is-
one
yes.
is
Okay,
our
So I
defending champion,
That's-
and
Alright.
he's probably lifting maybe 6 times my weight.
Oh, wow.
My
So,
weight.
a while ago, her
this
face
is
was
really
like,
just-
he's probably
This
lifting
is really just
6
demonstration.
times my weight. Your weight.
Desmond,
So this
what
is
are
really
some of the benefits of powerlifting?
So for the benefits of powerlifting, it is good for muscle strength.
Gotcha.
So it helps to build your overall body strength. It's good for your cardiovascular system. It helps to stave off like the effects of aging.
Ah,
Yeah,
I'm
so
here
the
for
stronger
that.
the muscles, the more support they give your joints.
Yeah.
The
Love
more
that.
support for your joints, the freer your movements.
And then also the discipline.
And it gives you, it's a lot of mental work.
So that was
Okay,
a
all
deadlift,
right. So that was
What else
deadlift.
do we
What
have?
else? What
We have the squat.
All right,
Okay,
this is
the
the squat.
squat?
I do all
Yeah,
every
all right,
day.
go squat.
Yes.
Go
So
through
for
the
the
squat.
squat now,
Squatting for my life over here. Say it.
Yeah, let's.
yeah, so for the squat now, the bar would be on my back.
Yeah. Get it.
Yeah.
Go on, Desmond. I believe in
Put the
you.
bar on my
Yeah, man, go, get it. Come on, we're running out of time, this man.
Shaniqua, we can put you up.
All right.
All right.
All right, this man, ease up a little bit. Ease up a little bit. Get your hair out.
No
Yeah.
problem, man.
Go on, my general.
All
Cool.
right. So for the
the
squat
squat
now-
now, right?
This is what we want to do. Down.
Right?
Oh, that's low.
Up.
Yeah.
That's it.
All
that's
right,
it.
Desmond.
So with the squat now, what
All right.
we want to do is that you want your hips to be right below your knee crease.
All right. Here we have a run out of time. Tickets, date, time, cost for tickets, please.
Whilst
Right.
we're saying that,
So-
what is the last one? Yeah.
The bench press.
All right.
Yeah, with your bench, right?
All right, Shaniqua.
So we have tickets on sale, $1,000. You can get it at Tough Fitness. You can also get it at Fit Farm Fitness Club. We can also get your tickets online. We have our sponsors. I want to just say a huge shout out to our sponsors, Water Poet, Vitamol, and so much more. And also TVJ, of course.
So quickly, just remind us, date and time.
So
Sunday the
it's
10th.
Sunday the 10th at 10 a.m. at AC Hotel.
Beautiful.
Cost for tickets.
1,000 pre-sold, 1,500 at the gate.
And we just want to say something to everybody watching across Jamaica. We have giveaways on Friday. So you want to watch the show on Friday, you want to come into our studio so you can get your tickets, all right? Friday. I believe you have one more for us, Desmond, before we
No,
have
you can't do the
holiday.
bench press. You can't.
You can't bench press? Let's see what you got.
No, you can't bench press.
Come
You
on,
need
champion.
Bench press.
Well, Doctor, thank you guys so much for watching. We, like we said, we're back on Friday now. Doctor, this thing say him can do the way the deadlift up the team. Yes, we're gonna come back on Friday
maybe
with much
can-
more buzz and chat and
Yes.